What's up publishers, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to show you how to choose pen names or author names for low content books. So before going into details of this video, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me about low and no content publishing. So there are two ways or even more ways to choose author name or pen names. My favorite ways are two ways. Just my first way is author name with my own name, like my name is Subha Malik. I will took my first word from S and the second word M, SM, and then I will add some other keyword or phrase like this is the first way, SM Publishing. Or the second thing is you can also include some keywords to expand or increase your discoverability of your books in the Amazon store. So you can add some niche specific keywords like SM recipe books, SM notebooks, SM daily planners. I have chosen the first part from my name and the second part of pen name from the keyword or phrase from a niche or niche. So in this way you can choose very specific author names or pen names for your low content books. The second way is, which is not recommended, and that is keyword stuffing. It is not allowed by KDP, and KDP may ban or block your account by keyword stuffing. Example of keyword stuffing is I have chosen the first name from my name, own name, and then the second is the keyword phrase, and that is the very long keyword phrase, SM recipes for women. This is a long phrase. This can be keyword stuffing. The other example is SM recipes for kids. So the other example could be recipe notebook for women, or girls, or chefs. These type of author names are not recommended. So stick with these short phrases and short names so that your account will remain safe and you continue publishing books in the long run. The first thing you need to do is do a due diligence about your chosen pen name or author name. That's why you are not allowed to use a trademark or copyrighted name or a name of a famous person, any celebrity or any politician or any athlete or any player. You are not allowed to use some names of any public figure. To check this out, copy this your pen name and first search Google search. You can see I have put my pen name in inverted commas to check the exact matched phrase in Google, and this is what results came from. Results Google showed me. It showed me SM recipe books related. There is no exact keyword or name appeared in the research results. However, there is a term Sarah Molten Cooks, which is different from this, so I can use this one. The second check is you should check the trademark database here on USPTO. Just type in Google. Let me open new tab, USPTO. Click enter. USPTO.gov. This is the site whole URL. Then click on trademarks. Oh no, it is going in the wrong way. USPTO trademark search. You should type things like that. Then you will be taken to this, open this first page and then click on search our trademark database, and then click on basic word mark search. Write down your pen name here, then click on submit query. If it shows no record, it means your pen name or your author name is not copyrighted word or phrase, so you are good to go. So in this video we have learned that how to choose a keyword, pen names or author names for our low and no content books, and also how to avoid keyword stuffing and how to avoid KDP ban. So if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel. Also click thumbs up below this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.